That's it, simple DIY. Today I got a nail in my tire. I'm going to show you how to go. Got your plug, your tool to stick the plug in, and a pair of pliers. So go ahead and I'm going to remove the screw. We'll go from there. Go ahead and put your reamer into your hole. And you're going to have to ream it back and forth until you open up the hole enough where you can put all your plugs in. It's easier if you got to lower your car to the ground because it'll keep the tire from moving. So let's go over to our jack. And we're going to go ahead and turn this little nut on the back of the jack. Lefty loosey. Alright, far enough down. The reamer. Alright, so you're going to pull your plugs off of it. They're usually stuck between two pieces of plastic. They'll be extremely sticky. And then you're going to take it, and you're going to squeeze it down. And on the end of your tool right here, you're going to shove your plug between this opening right here, where it's about 50% on each side of it. Alright, so now you have your plug on both sides of your tool. You're going to go up there, and once you're done reaming it, you're going to remove your reamer. You're going to shove your tool in there. You're going to push this in. And this is really hard. Alright, so now that your plug is in there, you'll see it is hanging out, and that's okay if those pieces hang out. You're going to take your tool, you're going to pull one good hard jerk, and it's going to pull out, leave the rubber. Sometimes you can take the glue, add a little bit around there. Don't hurt. So on my vehicle here is a Nissan Sentra. I'm going to go down to the door, we'll find this sticker. It'll tell us what we need to set our tire pressure to. So it says front tires 33, rear 30. I usually set mine to about 35. So I got me a fancy little pump here I got made by Ryobi. You just turn it on. Make sure it's pointing to tire, and then you set this to where you want it to be. So we said 35. On the valve stem, little plastic clamp, lefty loosey. Take our hose off. We're going to screw our hose onto it righty tighty. Now all we got to do is press start on our compressor. It's going to refill the tire with the air, stop at 35 automatically. We'll unscrew our hose left loose, put our valve cap back on, and this repair has been done.